Hi everyone. We built this double 40-foot frame container. As you can see, this is stucco, and we match exactly to the other building. One 24,000 BTU AC. This is the office. Multiple salespeople working here. If you guys want to order office or home, this is double wide, 40 foot.